Understanding the healthcare industry, the backbone of every nation. The healthcare industry is not just about hospitals and medicines. It is one of the largest and fastest growing industries in the world. What is the healthcare industry? It includes everything related to maintaining and improving human health, hospitals and clinics, medical devices and disposables, pharmaceuticals, diagnostics and laboratories, health insurance, telemedicine and digital health. How big is the healthcare industry? The global healthcare market is valued at 10 plus trillion dollars. It contributes significantly to every country's GDP. India's healthcare industry is expected to reach $370 billion plus in the coming years. Why is healthcare a large scale industry? Because it serves every human being every day, from birth to old age, from preventive care to critical care, from rural clinics to advanced hospitals. Every product, even a simple glove, syringe, or mask, plays a critical role in saving lives. The most important factor, risk. Every medical product carries a risk level from low to critical. That's why quality matters, compliance matters, certified products matter. Opportunity and responsibility. Healthcare is not just a business, it is a responsibility toward humanity. As this industry grows, the demand for safe products, reliable manufacturers, ethical practices will continue to increase. Final thought. Every hospital, every clinic, every patient deserves reliable healthcare products.